What is going on, guys? So hopefully, as you can hear, maybe it doesn't sound different, maybe it does, but I got a new mic. So it's a Rode Video Micro. Hopefully it does good. Hopefully it stops all the shitty audio I've been having. Right now we're gonna go to the bank, get some money to go rent a torque wrench, 1/2-inch torque wrench. I don't have one. I don't really have a use for one, so I haven't justified buying it. But we're gonna go rent one. The flywheel should be in here very soon. Once that gets in here, we'll put that in. Hopefully the transmission in today. Let's see. I got all the fluid last week. New throw bearing, greased up the shaft, cleaned off the ball, pivot ball, greased that up. So that's all ready. So last week I actually did the same video, and you know, I got everything on, the flywheel on, and it was actually the wrong one. I got sent a front wheel drive flywheel, and you know, mistakes happen. The guy actually made it he did right. He said go ahead and keep that and I'll refund you the money. So been trying to sell that. Nobody really wants it. I haven't got any hit-ups for it. It's a front wheel drive, 6-bolt. So if you guys don't know, that's about 1 inch bigger in diameter, so the bell housing won't fit over it. And I was struggling for probably like at least an hour, and I just was like, I don't remember being this hard. Last time I did it in the dirt and it wasn't this hard. I have a freaking engine hoist that was helping us, not in the dirt, so it just didn't make sense. So after a while I was like, you know what, let's take it out, let's see the part number, which I should have done in the beginning. I'm gonna do that today, make sure the part number is correct. But alright, let's go ahead and head out, and hopefully by the time I get back, the flywheel's here. So actually I think the flywheel's actually here already, and maybe shipping just didn't update. So alright guys, so flywheel's here. Let's open this real quick. Alright. So the set is actually a used one, as you can see, but the guy, he had it for 200 miles, then he's going to go ahead and do a auto swap. So it has a couple passes on the track, but I talked to a couple people that know their shit, and they said this is absolutely fine. So yeah, it looks good. Let me get this thing out the way. And I'm not supposed to touch that, but I'll degrease it. So there's the part number, 600-150. I think that's correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the torque wrench. Go ahead and get that in there. Let's go. Alright guys, so it is all torqued down. Brand new OEM bolts. Yeah, so that's done. I really gotta freaking somehow, I don't know if I ran the harness right or not, but I gotta clean this up. Hopefully when I get the transmission, it's easier to clean up the wiring, because I would hate to have that be the messy part and everything else is really nice and clean. But so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Still gonna put those bolts on back there. I got those for the brake booster. I'm gonna go ahead and get this clutch aligned, put on, torque down. Now it sucks, those flywheel bolts, I had them on the last time and I used Loctite. Wasn't hard to get off, but had to clean all the threads out, had to clean everything, get it all good to go, and then be just an extra step. I'm gonna have to do that with the brand new bolts for mine. Don't mind the garage, it's a little messy. Let's see. These are the bolts. I bought brand new ones that go from the pressure plate to the flywheel. Gotta clean all these too. So, extra step. So I just bring it over here and use the wire wheel get it all clean, hit it with some brake cleaner, call it a day. Alright, so good as new. All 6 of them. Go bring the clutch over, line it up, let's get it in. Alright, so transmission finally in. That motor mount's in, the back one's in. Now I don't remember how these were routed. It doesn't look right at all. It's a jumble fuck of wires. This one was a lot easier to get in than the one I did on my last one in the dirt. Got to get the starter bolts in, and that's about it on that. I might go ahead and try to start this today. I might just go ahead and wrap up because it gets dark early now. It's like a little bit after 4 now. So I might just wait to get it all finished tomorrow. But so yeah, a lot to do still, but I think the biggest parts are done, which is pretty exciting. Very exciting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I might get it started, I might not. Probably just end it here. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed this new mic. Hope it did well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Alright, last clip. So I got the shifter cables on. That's all done. Got some more wires plugged in. All this, the speed sensor, the reverse light. That's all done. The underneath support is back on. I gotta find the bolt for the mount right there. Just some little shit. I should be able to get this started this week. I don't see why I couldn't. So be on the lookout for that. That's gonna be the next video. Tomorrow I'm gonna bust my ass and get everything hooked up, cleaned up, and installed properly. And this thing should be good to go. And oh yeah, I also ran the stainless steel line down around. Let's see if you can see it right there. So it goes right from the master right all the way down to the slave. Just gotta clean it up a little bit. But yeah, guys, so that's the last clip. Appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the support. This thing's come together. It looks pretty bad right now, but I assure you it's gonna look good tomorrow. And also about the manifold, some people said, why don't you paint that or whatever. I'm not going to waste my time right now because honestly I don't plan to have this manifold for too long. I hope to get an FP like I had my other one, FP race manifold, and go from there. So see you guys in the next one. Peace out.